In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Monday.com Whiteboard. To get started, open your Monday.com workspace or the specific board where you want to build your whiteboard. Look toward the top area of the screen for the plus or add button. This button is your main starting point for creating new content, so it is the fastest way to begin. Click the add button, then choose whether you want to start from a brand new item or add a whiteboard to something you already have. If you want a fresh space dedicated to brainstorming or planning, select New Doc or New Board. When you see the view options, choose Whiteboard. This creates a clean canvas where you can map ideas visually. If you already have an existing board and you want to add a whiteboard view to it, you can do that as well. On the board, click the option to add a view, usually shown as Add View, and then select Whiteboard. This keeps your whiteboard connected to your current work, which is useful when you want planning and execution in the same place. Once your whiteboard opens, focus on the toolbar on the left side. This is where you choose the tools you will use to build your layout. Select sticky notes when you want quick, movable ideas like tasks, topics, or discussion points. Use shapes to create structure, such as boxes for steps or circles for concepts. Choose text when you need longer labels or clear headings. If you prefer freehand sketching, select the pen tool, which is great for quick outlines or drawing emphasis around key areas. As you add items to the canvas, you can click and drag any element to reposition it. This makes it easy to group related notes together, align sections, or adjust your layout as your plan evolves. For workflows and diagrams, use the connector tool, which looks like an arrow. Click a shape, then connect it to another shape to show direction and relationships. This is especially helpful for simple flowcharts, where you want to guide the viewer from one step to the next. Keep your canvas readable by leaving space between sections and moving items as soon as things feel crowded. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.